Napilitan ako and I feel terrible. I just went on a date. Akala ko, date for real na seryoso pero at the end of dinner, dinala ako sa motel. I know, I can say no naman, but I went with it and inisip ko na lang I'm not going out with this guy anymore since alam ko na kung ano lang gusto niya. Upfront naman ako if I want to just fuck, but this time talagang I tried being wholesome. Pero wala eh. Dinala ako sa motel and he wore me out until I acceded to having sex without condom. I feel bad about it and now I need to get checked when I go to Manila again. I was very adamant about using protection. Tapos sabi niya he's not going to put it in. Pero I feel na pinapasok niya pag iniisip niya na pumapayag na ako. Mga isa horror kaming ganun. He'll rub his thing on mine tapos when he thinks I'm relaxed he'll tell what to put it in slowly. I literally had to push him away several times. When I feel it going in, eventually I called the motel reception to bring condoms kasi I was in the mood din naman and I think he really wants to have sex. We did it once with a condom. Lumambat siya after a few minutes. We rested and then he did what he was doing before again. Pero this time, I was kind of worn out na. So I asked him if he's clean. Sabi niya yes and we did it raw. I feel really bad na parang napagod ako and I let down and magard. Ngayon iniisip ko Estilis and Stis, iniisip ko pumayag ako. I let it happen so bakit ako magagalit sa guy? Bakit ako nakakaramdam na parang na-trick ako? May condom pa naman pero pumayag ako to do it raw. Ngayon naiiyak ako pero parang tama bang I felt forced? I'm so conflicted and I feel stupid. Update. The amount of women who are messaging me right now saying they experienced the exact same thing is alarming. I am not going as far as saying I was raped. At least I don't think I was. It was consensual. But the moral dilemma is the mode. May isang comment dito. Kuha niya. Hindi ko gusto yung paraan ng lalaki lang kaya I feel like this. I am a very sexually active person. I'm not new to hook up so in order for me to feel badly like this, there must have been something wrong. I guess it was, as I've said in comment, the feeling of being ignored of Amo wishes. I felt like he wasn't hearing what I was saying. After some thinking, here are Amo final thoughts. Amwa encounters with other men. The first sign pa lang, I'm not enjoying they stop pero this time, I was literally pushing away man's body weight from mine so he won't be able to penetrate me and yet he didn't stop. He persisted. He kissed me, stimulated me, and eventually, I gave in. Was it consensual? Yes. Was I pleasured? Yes. Did I feel foolish, gullible like pushover? Yes. Hence the dilemma. Anyway, just like what the advices here say. I'm gonna get tested and move on. But for men here, pwede wag nyo gawin yung style na yan. Yung papagurin nyo hanggang mapapayag. It feels bad for the women after.
Kapag ganito ang setup, more or less lugi talaga ang mga babae, no? Umiyak ka lang muna sa ngayon tapos punta ka na sa clinic. Please don't forget this. Kahit burahin mo itong post mo, please save screenshot. Balikan mo kapag may urge uling maging reckless, hinga ka lang muna pero please don't do it again. Oh, as is are not a joke. As in, all the best to you.
Somehow get you. Not in the same exact situation but the sense of actually not wanting to do a thing but ending up doing it because you're worn down and worn out. You want to get it over with so where you finally nods and with dismissive flick of the wrist tells the universe, go, do what you want. I'm tired. I just want to get this over with. Let it out. Sit with your feelings. You'll learn but that's for later. For now, give yourself a hug and wait till you feel composed enough to get the necessary steps. Testing done. For now, be gentle with yourself.
You are stupid but that doesn't mean you are not worthy of sympathy. Be firm na lang next time, OP.
Nagustuhan mo ba itong video? Share mo naman kung ano ang tingin mo sa comment section. Kung gusto mo pa ng ganitong mga videos, like and subscribe na sa ating channel. Ingat!